it's like there's fire here at Hurricane and there's like so much ash. Are you gonna change or no?
No way to change. I'm not gonna change. I'm gonna keep it up.
Miss Destiny's like freaking out.
You're gonna come now. Yeah, but
It's getting like all red, you guys. It's like so much freaking amber everywhere. Ashes, I'm sorry. It's getting hard to breathe.
Then he ended up staying with Debbie.
Jaden? I don't even know where it's coming from. It's gonna be okay, Jaden. We're gonna leave right now, okay? They haven't told us to leave yet, so we're thinking they're gonna have it under control.
Okay. We heard firefighters.
What are they saying?
Leave it. Let's go. JJ, it's okay.
What are they saying?
go.
What are they saying? To leave?
Yeah. Let's go.
Come on, Jaden, what are you doing?
The fire is spreading.
Let's go, let's go. We gotta
That
go.
way. Go that way.
Come, Jaden.
Go. I'll take everything out.
You guys were like hoping the fire doesn't spread to the freaking parking lot because that's where our car is. And that's where it seems that the fire is. Everybody's leaving. You guys be careful, stay with me. It's gonna be packed when you guys get out. Stay with me. Keep walking, Destiny.
Yes. Papa, schools drop water for the over there.
Come on. Go guys, go guys, go guys, go guys. Come, stay close to me. You have your phone? Let's come this way. Daddy's gonna go get the car. He's over there getting the car. Cover your face. Cover your face. It's like a lot of smoke. See the smoke over there? We thought it was going away, but it didn't. It got like worse, huh? With the little black flame came on. Not the black flame, but yeah, like the black fumes.
Yeah.
Or not fumes. Is it fumes? No, the black smoke. The smoke's in my head. I don't even know. So Daddy went to go get the car right now. Everybody's leaving. We were hoping it cleared so we could enjoy the rest of the day because we literally just got here. It took us longer to get in than for us to actually stay. So we'll see what happens.
There's literally helicopters.
Yeah. Mama, cover. Guys, stay next to me. Come on. It's okay, Jaden. It's okay. It's okay. Jaden, Bailey, cover your face. Is she covering her face? Okay, guys, I don't even know where the cars are coming from, but let's come this way. Jaden, everybody's going over there. Everything's fine. You're gonna be fine, okay? Don't cry. You're fine. Come on, guys. Come on. My husband's parked, I think, over there. Somewhere over there. It's over there. It's like so smoky. Okay, guys, let's come this way. That's fine, puppy. The smoke is over there. Look, you see the smoke over there? It's over there, the fire. You see it? The fire's over there. Right there. I mean, the fire's right there.
Smell like barbecue.
I know. I was like, why are they barbecuing? Oh my goodness, it was right next to the parking lot. How are we leaving? You guys okay? It's right there.
Got it. Thank you.
What happened?
We can leave.
We can leave?
No.
Yes. Clear. Clearing out. everybody who got evacuated. We were moved from that side of the parking lot over there. Whoever was closer to the fire, I guess. We got moved to like the other side of the parking lot. Everybody's all spread out here. And they're still going in. And like there's people still coming from over there, driving over here to try to park. I don't know if you could notice, of course. They're still coming. But the fire's out already, so we're good to go, you guys.